Alright, this is Jen with Glasses. I am streaming King's Quest 1. We have 101 out of 158. Let me show you what's in my bag. So I have pebbles, diamonds, egg. I haven't used any of these yet. I used the carrot already, but it let me keep it. I used the key already to get up to the Giant's World. I have not used... Thank you, DS. I just updated my profile picture. Thank you very much. I did that myself. The handmade map is the map I actually use. So if you guys look at my profile on Twitch, there's a handmade map, and that's what I'm using right now. And in fact, I spilled water on it, so I have a little bit of a problem figuring out what some of it is. All right. So basically, we have two out of the three treasures of Daventry. I need to slow down. That whole Twitch thing freaked me out a little bit. We have a clover we haven't used, a walnut with gold in it we haven't used, a violin we haven't used, stinky cheese, a note which may or may not have already helped me, I'm unclear on that, and a slingshot. So last time I didn't really get too far. I did find the slingshot. There is a bird over on the next screen, and I have had some trouble catching this bird. So this condor flies down, and I spent basically all of last time trying to figure out how to get him to pick me up or to jump on his back. So I got to look at the video this week when I had a chance, and I got to watch it because I have a teeny tiny screen I'm playing on because I'm playing King's Quest 1 in window mode, so OBS can pick it up. It really is a super small screen. So to see it like on my full computer screen, like what I'd recorded. So I think I just need to keep doing this, and eventually he'll pick me up, hopefully. I'm hoping. He needs to because there's nothing else to do. Alright. So I'm going to go over here. Last time I was back here, and I think I was a little bit too far back, so I'm going to try being a little closer front and see what he does. Whoa! Yeah! Okay. Well, I just needed take a couple steps forward. Here we go, people. That looks very unsafe, though, by the way. He's just hanging. He's not secure. Woo! I'm flying. Very not securely. Okay, I need to save this. I know. DS6's first try. Yes, because if you guys watched me last time, it was grueling. It was just it was grueling, and I was so frustrated at the end, and I did fun. It was still fun, but I fell a lot. So I got really like, why isn't this working? So it was nice to like watch it this past weekend, and go, okay, what was I doing? So I just need to step forward. That's it. Ooh, there's a hole in the ground. No, don't be afraid. Get closer. I want to walk around first. Because I made this mistake with the giant, and I didn't get the slingshot when I was up there the first time because I didn't look around that. Oh, it's the mushroom! Yay! Alright. This is just a bonus for last time because you pick the mushroom. Thank goodness. Alright, I'm going to go over here. I'm going to look in my bag. I'm going to look at it. I don't know what it does, but I'm very excited. This is a small, unusual looking mushroom. Well, he doesn't know anything. Why would Graham know anything? Sometimes I wonder, Graham, did you live here your whole life? Because you don't seem to know very much. It's like he's never been out of the castle before. Alright, so I'm going to walk on the other side of... That hole just looks... I don't know. It looks like I'm going to fall in and not get back out again. Oops, can I go over here? Oh, it's really not letting me. Alright, I'm going to try to go forward. I just want to be thorough. I felt bad when I found... Hey! I am on the other side of the river. Is there anything interesting over here? The bushes here grow well, helped by the refreshing blah, 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 blah. Alright, so there's not anything. Okay, well, we're going to get closer to that hole, but I'm going to I just saved it, so I'm good. Alright, so we're going to get a little closer and see if I can get a better idea of what's going on over here. Turn around, Graham. It's a faint green glow. Just like the glow at the other hole on the other side of Daventry. Alright, can we stick our hand in there? Just... How can I get any closer? That is really close. Crap. Oh boy. What? Oh boy. Well, where are we at, guys? A shaft of sunlight pierces the gloom of the cave. Alright. I'm gonna save it at number 10, and we'll just see what happens. Let's go to the left. Can you go over there? Okay, nope, we can't go left. It just looks like we can go. We only go front. Alright. I'm nervous. I want my invisible ring again. Can I take that? Can I take it? Oh, it's too hot to touch. Alright, here we go, guys. We're getting somewhere. Or how are we gonna get back out? Oh, stinky cheese. Stinky cheese? Stinky cheese. What do you mean nothing happens? Come a little closer. I can't reach it. I don't trust him. I don't like it. I don't like this. Can I play something? Okay. Oh, he's making me nervous. He's gonna totally eat us. Okay. I do not like this. Oh, you are a jerk. What am I supposed to do? I do not like this guy. I'm gonna play my violin. Technically a fiddle, but still. Oh, that's sad. What's up with his belly? I don't like the way he's drooling, and he's just gonna eat me. Can I slingshot the cheese at him? That's what I want. Stop. Let me pick up the cheese. I'm not poking a hole in it. Alright, let's try and just pick up the cheese. What? Oh, I'm glad I didn't try to eat that cheese. I thought about that before. Like, maybe I should eat it. No, I'm glad I didn't. Alright. So, let's pull on the door. Oh, Graham didn't knock this time. Oh no, there are 2 leprechaun guards here, and they don't look pleased to see you all. What are you going to do now? Well, leprechauns, do they like a 4-leaf clover? Can I... You have a 4-leaf clover up there! Can I talk to them? Can I play a violin? Can I play the violin? Whoa! Wonderful job! Leprechauns find fiddle music irresistible. The moment they hear the music, they begin dancing a frenzied jig. What? I'm so excited, I don't want to click on. Woo! $110 out of 158. Alright, finally swept away by the snappy music, the leprechaun guards zapped right out of the room. They just disintegrated. They were so excited about that music. Okay, well, I'm going to save that again. Okay, so all the stuff we haven't used, we've been using. That's exciting. I like their little 4-leaf clover statue stand. Alright. That rat was kind of terrifying. I don't like he's like, come a little closer. I'm like, no, I don't think I need to. Graham. Oh, good. Wow. They pop away in a fit of merrymaking. Okay then. Oh, I see a shield. Alright, I need to save the game. Oh, wrong thing. Here we go. Alright. I'm gonna assume... I think this is it. I think this is the shield. You take the magic shield. Congratulations. Woo! We have all three. What's that up there, though? What's that there? No, but what's that there? Oh. Please don't move the carpet. It hides dandelion wine stains on the floor. Alright, but I want... Isn't there like a scepter? That looks like a scepter up there. Might need that. What is that? Yeah! Okay, I probably shouldn't have done that, but that was really fun anyway. Alright. Okay, so let's go. Let's go see if we can find a way out of here. Okay. Okay. Can I go through there? Okay, well, let's go back and see. Are those other things entrances or exits? 124 to 158. Alright, can we get up here? Can we go here and then I want to go here? Nope. Nice try, Graham. Nope. I want to go this way. I don't... Okay. Are those just decorative stairs? Alright. 124 to 158. We have all three treasures, but now I'm nervous because I don't know how we're going to get out of here. And, we still haven't used most of the stuff, so I'm kind of concerned about that too. I'm not a completist as far as like, I'm not going to restart the game to get if we miss any points, but I'd like to get as many as I can. Alright, so it won't let me do anything with this 4-leaf clover, which seems really unfair. Couldn't I like put it in my lapel and it could like shrink me or transport me back to where I found it, or... Alright, let's go through. So the stones aren't going to do anything. The diamonds aren't going to do anything. Save this again quick. I think I just saved it, but I die so many times I get like PTSD about it. Like, no, not again. Perhaps I do. Perhaps I haven't needed it the whole game. Alright. Ah, no. I don't want to go here. Play. Okay. So, I don't think it's the... Let's try the walnut. Alright, so it doesn't even say what it is, it just says that. Alright, I don't think I can use this. The only new thing I've gotten... I mean, I got the scepter. Can I use the scepter? You shake it, but it doesn't do much. It's just a valuable treasure. Well, I hope they won't be mad at me about it later, because I probably should have taken it. Oh, good. At least I confirmed that. Alright. The only new thing I've gotten that might be helpful is the mushroom. And I don't... I'm just gonna try and eat it just like Alice in Wonderland. We'll see what happens. What do you mean careful? You do not wish to damage the delicate mushroom. Alright, now I can pick it up. Let's see what it does. Oh, I hope it wasn't poisonous. Yes, 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 yes! Okay. Okay, good. Yay! Okay. Okay, this is before it's too late for what? I have to get out of here. How do I get back home? Alright. Dang, where's the weird hole in the ground? Okay. Well, it might be too late because I don't know if I can get back in time. No, this is not the right way. Wait, maybe it is. Nope. I need to go down and over. I don't don't know. It's only my castle I've lived in my whole life. Okay, if they really mean hurry up literally, I'm in trouble. Okay. Good thing I saved it just in case. Okay, this is part of the castle. Okay, good. I was going the right way. Alright, alright, alright. Okay, I need to go down. Come on! I'm excited but terrified that okay. Okay, I know you can move this way? Oh gosh, I'm sorry guys. Oh, yay! Alright, hopefully. Now I'll have to do... The guards are gone! Okay, can I get in here? Oh, crud! 130, 158. We're gonna come in. We have to fight something, don't we? Oh, crud weasels. Graham is no good in a fight, guys. This is highly unusual. You begin to feel something, but it clicked up for you. You can faintly hear a commotion in the king's chamber to the west. There is nothing to be done. Our king's melancholy is too much for his heart to bear. If only Sir Graham had returned with the lost 3 treasures of Daventry. I did! I did! I did return! I'm here! It's Sir Graham. Your Highness, oh boy. Did you succeed in your quest? I did, Your Majesty. Here, as you commanded. The magic mirror. The magic shield. I don't know where he's getting these from because they're bigger than he is. And the magic chest. They all fit in my magic hat. And about 14 other weird things I don't know what to do with. Wow. Oh, we missed 18 things. Well, 18 points. I know you will serve the kingdom well. The king is dead. Wow, that was... Wow! He's not even waiting until he's cold in the grave! Long live the king! Long live the king! And thus ended Sir Graham's quest for the lost treasures of Daventry. Despite the loss of their beloved King Egbert, the people of Daventry grew happy and prosperous for years to come. Oh my gosh! And whenever King Graham looked in the magic mirror, he saw visions of adventures yet to come. For him, for his children, and for Daventry, the land he loved so much. Well, it's super exciting! And also, thank you! Thank you! Congratulations, Jen, says DS6101. Alright. This is super loud. I do love Roberta Williams, though. She did a great job. I actually looked up on what are their King's Quest and how many more there were. I clicked out of that, so it's all dark, sorry. And there was a bunch. There's also like a bunch of games called Space Quest I'm interested in. Alright, so if you want to stick around DS6, I'm going to log off quick, and then I'm going to log on with King's Quest 2. What do you say? And thank you guys for watching. This has been really neat, and I'm super excited to finish the game. I'm mad about those 18 points I missed, but, you know, I don't know where I missed them. And the thought of combing through another playthrough trying to find them, I am just happy I won. I won. I lived! I survived with the help of saves. Okay, well, I'm going to log off, and this is my last for King's Quest 1, and I'm going to start streaming King's Quest 2. So if you guys will be patient and hang out, I will be right back. Thank you so much, and thank you so much for watching and being interested in my stream. I'll be back in a minute.